You see the box is very attractive. Definitely as nice as anything you'd see from Ray-Ban or other luxury sunglasses manufacturers. Let's see here. Appreciate the attention to detail. It has the little Nautica sailboat icon. Okay, an accordion style box. Comes wrapped to keep it protected from scratches. As you can see, the whole frame is protected. A very attractive look. Reminds me of Ray-Ban Wayfarers. Now let's see how they sound. I'm curious how they'll sound compared to the Reebok Nitrous. So the controls for this are on the bottom here. The button layout is not as intuitive as on the Nitrous. Okay, I pressed the two buttons here to turn this on. All right, I'm in my Bluetooth settings on my phone. Let's see here, Nautica eyewear. Shows up in available devices immediately. Bluetooth pairing request. Pair with Nautica eyewear, yes. All right. Now let's listen to Protege's Big 45 again. So it's not as full as the Reebok Nitrous, but the style of the frame I like a lot more, so I'm a little bit conflicted. For the audio quality, I like the Reebok Nitrous more, but for style, I prefer the Nautica Tailwind more. Ooh, this is gonna eat at me. I could definitely see myself going out and about in the Nautica Tailwind, but for my workouts, I'll 1000% be wearing the Reebok Nitrous. Let's see what else. Okay, it looks like you have some versatility here. You can charge on both sides of the frame. Okay, this one provides me with a power brick. I do appreciate that the Nautica version comes with a power brick. And the Nautica version does sell for less money, so it shows that the Nautica version is a better value as you're getting a power brick with it. Again, like the, oh, I'm wrong. So you're gonna charge it on both sides. So you plug this in on the inside of the frame. I'm curious why Lucid wouldn't have it just charge on one place. Okay, let's see here. What do I think of the lenses? The lenses are very good. It's cutting the glare quite a lot. Pretty darn impressive. All right, for more details, check out my first impressions, and I'll be putting together a more in-depth review to come. Look forward to your questions and comments.